Here's some business advice that's blindingly obvious once you know it. Most lead magnets are terrible. You know this. You've seen lots of lead magnets on the interwebs that are terrible. You've created some lead magnets of your own that are terrible. However, the best businesses have them. And that is because if you don't have a mechanism to collect a lead and give your future customers and clients a way to voluntarily enter your world and give you permission to follow up, you're going to spend the rest of your life chasing, hustling at networking events, sliding into people's DMs, pestering them on LinkedIn, doing all this push marketing stuff where you push yourself on people and you say, I'm the best and you need me and let's catch up and explore ways that I can take your money. Pull marketing is where you create resources of high perceived value to your target audience and they voluntarily step into your world and then you can follow up. So how can you create a lead magnet that's just not going to be so blasé, so beige, so ho-hum and just seem like a cliche? Well, the first thing to do is understand this. Sorry, the ducks went really loud there. Here is what you need to do. Here is what you need. You will need a framework. Are you ready? One person, one problem, one product. Let me say that again. One person, one problem, one product. If you can name your target audience in a way that they will self-identify with, they will stand up. So if you're walking through a busy shopping mall and you say, hey, you, no one turns around. If you say, hey, Barbara, someone turns around. So if you're producing something like, 7 tax return boosters, make it 7 tax return boosters for nurses, 7 tax return boosters for plumbers, 7 tax return boosters for freelancers. When you name the target audience, one person, one problem, one product, the person goes, oh, it's for me, and you have their attention. One person, one problem, one person, one problem. Once you understand your target audience, you can understand their problems. Think about the headache that they have before they know they need you. If you think about the headaches that they have while they need you, you end up creating something that sounds like a brochure. It's like 7 things you need to know before you hire a web developer, which sounds like 7 reasons why you need to hire me. They sound lame. Think about the headache that they have before they know they need you. One person, one problem, one product. If it's a product, give it a name where it sounds like something cool. Call it a framework, call it a roadmap, call it a cheat sheet, call it a playbook. Don't call it an ebook. Don't call it a white paper. Those things sound boring. One person, one problem, one product. So for example, if you click the link in my bio, you will see something for B2B business owners. Are you a B2B business owner? Do you sell knowledge and expertise? Now me, I have a software company, software as a service, but that's not what I talk about in my lead magnet. Are you a B2B business owner? Do you sell knowledge and expertise? Would you like to get 100 leads in 10 days? If you would like 100 leads in 10 days, get the roadmap. That is the offer that I make in my bio, and that is an example of a kick-ass lead magnet. One person, one problem, one product.